Hello, this is Teeth Doctor and Healthy Living. Today, I'll share one anecdote. Before starting with this video, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I'm posting such informative videos for your health education. Since my child is 4.5 years old, I went recently to a mall and I grabbed a couple of bags of chocolate. They sell like hotcakes, right? And what my point is, by showing you these bags of chocolate, that it is very important that you read what is mentioned at the back of these bags, the nutritional facts label. For buying any product, you need to check out what is mentioned in the nutritional facts label. You need to read this nutritional facts label, as I can mention you here that one piece of this chocolate contains 10.3 grams and of which sugar is 5.2 grams. But my point is that your body does not need even half a teaspoon of a processed sugar. You are consuming this just for the sake of your own luxury. These big companies, they can stretch themselves to any limit, and what they have mentioned just above this nutritional facts label, what they have mentioned, that you can share this chocolate while watching television, at a party and after a meal. They have mentioned it, right? Particularly watching television, while watching television or at a party, if you'll consume this chocolate, you tend to have more. And since it is having trans fat and processed sugar, it is not a healthy component of your diet. The second point, what they have mentioned it, after a meal. So, particularly after a meal, if you'll do post-meal snacking and you will have this chocolate, then it is particularly harmful for your oral health. Instead of having these chocolates while watching television or at a party, you can grab chewing that sugar-free gum which has got seal of acceptance is still a healthier option as compared to eating this chocolate. And I have made a video regarding health benefits of chewing gum. You can check this out in the description box. I think I have given quite information today. Do comment, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I'm posting such informative videos for your health education. And above all, take best care of your health and follow hand hygiene and mask etiquette. Thank you for watching my video.